love and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you loving you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, it's your girl here, it's Janae, back with another video. So I'm finally excited to be trying out the Main Choice Proceed with Caution collection. So as you see, my hair was definitely dirty, so adding this into my routine is a must. So we're going to start off with using their Slippery When Wet shampoo, which is infused with Japanese cherry and also chia seed oil. Chia seed oil helps maintain definition and also strength, and the Japanese cherry oil soothes and balances your scalp. Their shampoo is supposed to seal your cuticle and also lock in more moisture and also shine. After I rinsed out the shampoo, my hair felt super light and also bouncy. So next we're trying out the Main Choice Proceed with Caution Stop the Damage Pre or Post Poo Mask. So you can use this mask before you actually shampoo your hair or after. So in my case, I like to use it after. So I just applied it on my strands and I like to finger detangle and just work the product through, and then I follow up with my detangling comb just to make sure that I have no tangles. So after I detangle with my comb, I just move on to the next steps, which is the front part of my hair, repeating the steps again. After I apply all the hair mask, I just put my plastic cap on, then follow up with using the Main Choice microfiber towel to maximize my deep conditioning process. So I sit under this for 15 minutes, and then after that I just rinse it all out. This is how my hair looks. Super light, super bouncy. So next we're going to use their 4-way conditioner. So it says 4-way for a reason. You can use this as a co-wash, a leave-in, a detangler, and also a rinse out conditioner. So for me, I'm going to be using this as my leave-in conditioner. So I just applied this throughout my hair, and as soon as I applied it, y'all, it felt so soft to my hair. Like, it felt really good. I love this. So if you're ever looking for a good leave-in conditioner, this is definitely the one. To help with locking in my moisture, I'm following up with using their Dangerous Luster and Shine Illuminator, which also enhances your shine and natural luster from the inside out. It has a lasting moisture and also hydration, and I could definitely feel that when I apply the product throughout my hair. So I like to take care of my ends as well, so I worked on the ends. For my styling process, I'm just parting right here, and I'm going to do like a cute little design. It's going to be like some bantu knots, so I just created a part right here, and then I'm just going to split that part into two. And then after I apply that, I'm going to be using the Look Both Ways hair and edge gel. So it is 2 gels in 1 jar. So for the edge gel, it is the clear part, and I love this edge gel because it does provide a strong, smooth hold to my hair and also lock my edges into place. Before I apply the bantu knots, I'm just going to be braiding my hair until it's like halfway down, and then I'm just going to connect those braids into a bantu knot. Okay, so after I apply the braids in my hair, I'm just splitting this part here. I'm going to be applying some more edge gel on my hair to make sure that my hair is definitely laid down. I connect those 2 braids in the front with the part that's left out in the back, and I apply my rubber band on there to help secure my hair down. Then after I secure my hair with the rubber band, I just start my bantu knot process. Now for my last styling process, I'm going to be using the hair gel, which is supposed to give you perfect definition and also intensifies your moisture and shine. So when I apply the hair gel on my hair, I just like to smooth it down, and then I just like to repeat this process. I like to work in sections as well. Working in sections is a must, especially if you have thick hair. And y'all, look at my curls, y'all. Oh my gosh. Just to give y'all a close-up, my curls are popping. So moving on, I'm going to the front part of my hair. I like to use my detangling brush for this process just to make sure I have no tangles, because when you have tangles in your hair when applying a style or a product in your hairstyles sometimes don't really come out that great. So just make sure that you detangle your hair and then proceed with applying your hair gel or whatever you want to apply in your hair. I have different hair textures in my hair, so for this front part here, it's a little more looser curls. So when it's like that, I just like to twirl my hair around my fingers and then scrunch it up. the rest of my hair, I just like to apply the hair gel on there, smooth it down, twirl it if I have to, and just keep on repeating the same process until my hair is completely done. For the finished look, I just like to apply some more edge gel on my hair to smooth it down. So before I show y'all my finished look, this is how my curls looking while it's wet, which is the bomb. Like, I could wear it like this, y'all, if I could. So I did add a little more volume in it by blow drying and also stretching it out, and this is my finished look. If you want to purchase these products, you can purchase them at www.themainchoice.com, or you can purchase these at your local Walgreens. Also check them out at The Main Choice on their Instagram page. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Love y'all.